In this video, I'm going to show you how to successfully delete your Grok account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to grok.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, click onto your profile. So it'll either be on the bottom left, top right, depending what web browser you're using. But in my case, it's bottom left. So I'm going to click onto my profile and then click into settings. Now your settings box should appear like this. From here, we've got different tabs. Click on the one that says data controls. Now inside data controls, scroll down, and then at the bottom of the page here, it says delete account. Permanently delete your account and associated data from AI platforms. Deletions are immediate and cannot be undone. So keep that in mind. So go ahead and click on delete. Now it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Then again, on the left hand side, we need to click on data and then click on delete account again. I'm not sure why they want us to do it twice or go through a bit of a process, I guess, to try and keep us on their platform. So yeah, but anyways, click on that delete button. Then we need to put in the password to confirm your actions. And as it states here, this action will delete all of your data associated with XAI and you'll be logged out. You can restore your data if you log in within a 30-day window. After 30 days, your data will be permanently deleted. So keep that in mind. So put in your email here to confirm and then click delete. Then that's going to go ahead and delete your account.